Introducing the 2021 Volvo XC60 T8 PHEV INS Pro 5 Door Auto in sleek black. This vehicle is a perfect blend of power and efficiency with its 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission. Loaded with top-notch features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and safety systems like collision alert and lane departure warning. This Volvo XC60 is not just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specifications, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit our website, spiritmotorgroup.ie, for more details. Upgrade your driving experience today with the 2021 Volvo XC60 T8 PHEV INS Pro 5-Door Auto.